History describes three major battles fought in Panipat, fought on April 20, 1526 between the forces of Babur Mughal Empire and Ibrahim Lodi Delhi Sultanate. Babur's army of 12,000 defeated Lodi's army of 30 to 40,000, marking in beginning of the Mughal Empire in India. Lodi was killed in the battle and Babur became the first Mughal emperor. Fought on November 5, 1556 between the forces of Akbar Mughal Empire and Hemu Hindu king of Delhi. Akbar's army of 20,000 defeated Hemu's army of 30 to 40,000, solidifying Mughal control over India. Hemu was captured and executed after the battle. Fought on January 14, 1761 between the force of Ahmad Shah Durrani, Afghan Empire, and the Maratha Empire. Durrani's army of 40 to 50,000 defeated the Maratha army of 40 to 60,000, marking a significant defeat of the Marathas. The battle led to the decline of the Marathas empire and the rise of British colonial power in India.
I have taken a rural road to go to Panipat from Sonipat, and my watch says it's about 10 o'clock, and this is the road, urbanized, but there are a number of vehicles. Some people are selling guava, roadside stalls. Would be a nice experience today to walk through the rural areas in Sonipat to Pani. After missing the main road, I'm in a highway to Panipat. I have to divert my way to another rural area road, which they call it Neher. The Neher means river. That means it continues through the or by the river. Okay, at the right side you see acacia plantation, hugely tall, very tall, and very clean, smooth road in between. And at my left, again throughout the road, I guess it's about 20 kilometers. Neher is the canal type of a small brook, river, and followed by that, I mean, at the stretch of this left side, you will see vistas of not a vista, valleys of plantation of agricultural field, and it's truly beautiful. I don't see any house. People probably go there for vacation, reside there, and they do have their houses, different places. The river is calm, quiet, and has a lot of fish, I guess, because of the bubble, I can guess. And it's windy, weather is fantastic right now, and I am progressing to Panipat today. A small viaduct over the canal looks beautiful, very pleasant. The current is moderately fast, and you have a jungle by the bank, and it stretches to the starting point where I began cycling from Sonipat. This is the road. Opposite to the road again, eucalyptus as well as acacia, followed by wheat plantation. There is a road as well going on. It's my cycle and solitude of the road, few vehicles. I'll be going ahead this way, and it's very sunny road. Let me show you the viaduct and the water body once more. Cool, calm, pleasant, breezy. I am very, very thirsty. This canal is filled with water. Unfortunately, there's no single drop to drink. Might be these are the canals created by the kings of those days when Panipat battle took place. And that's why it's called Panipat, the road by the water line. Panipat. How's the water? The road is next to the canal, and this is the canal. The other side of the canal is the cultivational field, wide, thousands of miles away. Similarly, across the road, another stretch of thousands of miles of cultivational field. It's a complete countryside, and the road is solitude kind, where few vehicles move, like the moped going on, a few more bikes by the road. I have a look into the water again once more before I get fresh, drinkable water a while later. Is the ghost paddling? No, it's on the. The beautiful countryside canal road stops here, and there's a dike at the left side, and huge pillars, some kind of structural frames are lying around, and there's no way of God. I have to find out. There may be some narrow escape that connects to Panipat road. Let's check. I passed through this gap, and I have to march ahead here. You see, at the right side, the canal flows. Yes, you will see my face here. So let me continue. This is the dike structure or dike area. We can call it a dam, where Haryana has the authority to supply water to Delhi. Whenever there is a conflict or dispute, Haryana can take advantage of controlling the water from here, this dam area. If you can look at that side, let me zoom closely. Yes, there is water flow, and if they want to stop water, they can do it from here, and Delhi suffer in that case. For that reason, this unofficial road connecting to Panipat from Sonipat has got some kind of obstacle because it's under construction. I hope this will be amended soon. Construction work going on. Weather is pretty good for them, for me today as well. Alright, this is my cycle to carry me to पानी. गोकुल जी, आपका पानी, आपकी चाय, आपकी खिदमत मेरे लिए अमृत.
ना धन्यवाद जी.
जी जी.
और जो चाहिए तो वो आप शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ मैं. आप
आप
ऑल इंडिया टूर कर रहे हो. आपको बहुत बहुत चरण स्पर्श करता हूँ.
आपके भी मैं करता हूँ.
आपके चरण स्पर्श करता हूँ.
हाँ.
तो आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बोलता हूँ कि आप जैसे वीर
वीर बना दिया.
ना वीर बोलता हूँ मैं.
अच्छा.
आप जैसे वीर जो ऑल इंडिया टूर कर रहे हैं वो भी बाइसिकल से.
बाइसिकल से. हाँ.
ठीक है.
शुक्रिया.
यदि
हाँ.
कोई पेट्रोल सिस्टम से करते हो तो मानता.
हाँ.
आप बाइसिकल से कर रहे हो.
जी जी
समझ गए
जी.
भाई जी. इसीलिए आपको सलूट, बारंबार सलूट.
थैंक यू सो मच. अभी गाना सुनते हैं ताऊ जी से.
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ ताऊ जी शुरू करिए. ताऊ जी कहाँ रहते? पास में ही रहते? अच्छा. और बच्चे बड़े होंगे, नाती पोते? अच्छा अच्छा.
आप गाना सुनाइए.
अब बेन जो गाना गाते थे आप बेन के साथ, अपना कंपोजिशन था या किसी और का गाना था? अपना आपने नहीं. अच्छा. तो एक गाना.
500 आदमी थे मेरी दुकान पे.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ग्रुप.
और बात में बिजी में
ओ
32 साल रह गए हैं.
हाँ.
और सबसे वाह वाह दुकान पे करते थे. वाह क्या में
हाँ.
वाकई में है.
अच्छा.
कंपनी बजाने में और गाने में मेरे को मानते थे.
हाँ.
मुस्लिम लोग जो अच्छे गाने वाले होते हैं
अच्छा अच्छा.
वो कान पकड़ते थे मेरे सामने.
हाँ जी. शुरू करिए. 1 2 3.
उधर फिल्म का गाना है.
चलेगा.
1-2 लाइन सुना दूंगा आपको. ज्यादा
जी जी जी.
मेरे दम चढ़ जाए.
हाँ हाँ.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें
ये हो.
तुमसे प्यार, तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल. बड़ी मुश्किलों से संभलता है दिल. दिन तो यहाँ पर लागे बरस के समान. ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार.
बहुत खूब. धन्यवाद. ओके. टेल मी योर नेम
My name is Vistar.
and this place. What is the name of this place?
Narayana village.
Narayana village. It comes in the Samalkha subdivision, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Which class do you read?
I read in 9th class.
Okay. Can you tell me something about the place? Where does it go with the gate? Where does it go? When you enter inside, where will you go?
We will go to
Samalkha.
Samalkha. And this way goes to Panipat.
Okay, I have to go to Panipat, so I have to take this road, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Between the rivers.
very nice, very nice. So I'll be showing my cycle in the talk when I had a good talk with you. And tell me the direction. What is the name of the village?
What?
Name of the village? This village?
Narayana.
Narayana, same. And the temple, what is the gate is about?
Sayyid Pir.
Oh, this is a mosque.
Oh,
Momdan.
based.
Okay, okay, okay. So, all right. Sayyid Pir. I mean, it's a worship place, right? Sayyid place. Nice, 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 nice.
You can take the picture of the gate.
Oh, okay, okay. Wow, nice, nice, nice. Okay, okay. Okay, how old this tree is? Any idea? डेढ़ सौ बाप रे. नमस्कार 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 नमस्कार. कैसे? कंट्री नहीं, मैं इंडिया का ही हूँ. मुंबई से आया हूँ भाई साहब. भाईंदर.
देखा मैंने.
हाँ, भाईंदर से आया हूँ. अच्छा लगे. this is the place I have come through this two canal, as I said. At the right side, a stretch with the forest, and it's not visible. The other side also has got the similar pattern canal, followed by a forest, and this is somehow a national highway, and we are intersecting this place into ये कौन सी highway है बेटा? Rohtak highway. Okay, this one. What's your name? Narayan. Pritam. Yeah, I'm coming from cycle from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah, it's like today. How come it's not showing? It's not showing. Your face is not showing. Okay. Pritam, which class?
12.
12. Okay. Science, arts, commerce. Commerce. Yeah, doing. Today is a holiday, or school is over. School is over. That's nice. This is Rohtak Road, huh? This side Rohtak, leading to Rohtak, and it started from Shiva. Panipat. Okay, I came from Panipat. Okay, I missed that road. I came this way probably. Okay, I'll proceed here. पानीपत और कितने दूर है?
पानीपत आ गया, ये अभी 4 किलोमीटर।
4। अच्छा, जो मार्केट एरिया होगा, हाँ। रेलवे स्टेशन भी है क्या पानीपत में? ओके।
थीम क्या आपका? थीम
से दूर के बेंगलोर बिहार उड़ीसा फिर आंध्रा फिर कर्नाटका साउथ फिर महाराष्ट्र roughly around 1 दिवाली पे इतने ज़्यादा अबंडेंस आते हैं शायद वेस्ट बंगाल में एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में उतना कंटिन्यू नहीं होता एक फैमिली में कंटिन्यू होते हैं सब मिनट को दिखाई देने के बाद दिवाली पे हाँ
Today's modern Panipat is doing good in agriculture, industry and sports. People are aggressive in their actions and kind in hospitality. We will share more about cycling in Haryana in a week. This is Sumit Rajak signing off.